everybody, this is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook fresh spinach the easiest way ever. I have one bunch of fresh spinach that I've washed really well, and I've got it in a colander. It's a lot of spinach here, it's hard to see. I've got it in a colander just draining over a bowl. Even if you are going to cook spinach that's bagged or boxed and it's already washed, in this case, you still want to at least give it a quick rinse, because we're not going to use any oil, we're not going to add any water except for the water that is clinging to the leaves. So you don't run it through a salad spinner or anything like that. You just put it in a colander, let it drain for a little bit, and then we're going to the stove. Now this is so easy, I hardly even want to call it a recipe. Now I have a large pot here that has a good tight fitting lid to it. There is no oil in this pan, there is no water in this pan, it's just clean and dry, and it's not preheating at this point. Okay, so now I'm going to take this spinach and just add it to the pan. So again, even if it's your box spinach, you do need to give it a good rinse. Now see, this is one bunch of spinach, but it's filling up this pan. At this point, you can season it however you want to season it. I'm going to add some garlic powder to it. You can add salt if you want to, but you don't have to add salt if you don't want to. Just however you want to season it. And I like it with some garlic on it, and then when we're all done, we're going to add just yet one more flavor to it. I'm going to add just a little more garlic to it back here. Okay. It's easier to season this at this point than it is later. Alright, now we're going to cover this up, and I'm going to turn it on high. That's right, you heard me right. High. You don't want to walk away from this. As soon as you see steam coming out from under the lid, you turn it off right away, and then you just let it sit there for a couple minutes, and then you can take it off the heat, and it's basically done. It's like a quick steaming kind of method. You can do this while you're cooking other foods for a meal, and this is just a really quick and easy thing to add in there, but the trick is you just don't want to walk away from it. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, but I have steam coming out right here. The stove is going off. I'm going to just allow it to sit here for 2 or 3 minutes, and then we'll flavor it one more way. It's been a few minutes, so I'm going to take the lid off and show you how nicely this is cooked. And I want you to see there actually is some liquid in here, so as long as you follow my instructions, you're not going to wind up with some mess where it's burning in the pan. Not at all. So I'm just going to take tongs and remove this, and then we're going to add just one more flavor to this. There, you can see there is water in the pan, so you did not need to worry about it. Now what I'm going to do is take a nice hefty lemon wedge and just squeeze that lemon over there and add a little another flavor to this, and it's going to be like a lemon garlic spinach. If you want to add some salt to it, you can do that. If you want to add some more garlic, more lemon than what I've got, you can put some pepper on there as well. Whatever you want to do to make it your way. Do give this a try sometime and let me know how it works for you. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.